What's up, guys? Good morning. As you can see, I am not in the city. We are up here. Let me show you. Down here, look, probably. Hang on, let me show you. All right. We are about a half hour to 45 minutes outside of Angeles City. We are up in the base of Mount Arayat. We are at the base of Mount Arayat. We are up here at there it is, back in there. We got to get down here. It's a Cambodian temple is the way they're describing it. The name of it is called, I'll give that to you in a second here so I can get the pronunciation right. But from what I read online, this is at the entrance light. Entrance is here. All right, entrance is here. It is called Bale Batu. There. Wanted to get the name right. Here it is. Welcome to Bale Batu. All right, it's called Bale Batu. But here's the entrance. Now, from what I was reading online, sorry about the sun, it's like directly in front of me. There, let me get kind of in the shade here. This is the original entrance, and from what I'm told, as you enter this area, you're supposed to ask the spirits and get permission from them to enter. So this is the original entrance. The actual entrance is down there. So I am asking the spirits if I may enter, and I'm also asking the spirits if I can film. I was told you should ask permission from the spirits here, if that's okay, so I'm asking. Anyways, road goes all up and down through here. They charge you 20 pesos per head down the road there if you're not a barangay resident, basically if you're a tourist. As you enter here, hello, they get 50 pesos per head, which I understand for maintenance. You have to sign in. They take your temperature. Bale Batu. There it is, Bale Batu. I'm looking for the history. There's a history on this where I was reading, where the gentleman here, him and his wife built this. A couple roosters. Him and his wife built this. They would build it during dry season. Then rainy season, they would take not build. And it took them many, many years to build it. This is the information I was reading online. I'll tell you what, I will put the information down below. But it's really neat. Really, really neat here. This little walkway here. Imagine you can go up here. There's nothing roping it off. We'll check all this out then. You guys are seeing it as I am seeing it. I did not walk through here first and then come back with my camera. And we'll go this way. You're seeing it as I am seeing it. It's all stone. The name of the place means stone house from the Kapampangan language. The big bamboo right there. Gotta watch where I walk. There's roosters here. We'll check out the the temple area last. Oh, I thought you could walk down in here. Well, I will walk down in here. Hi, buddy. Rooster. Step down here. It's like this was a pond at one time, filled with water. Pretty neat. Follow this pathway, see where this takes me. Looks like this could have been a pool at one time, like a water pool. Walk down this way. Another area here. Pretty neat. See, people's clothes are hanging out. I don't know if people are living in here. And we'll walk this way. Here, right here. Oh, there was the steps to get down there. I took the long way. All right, let's go check out the temple. This is tucked up here, Mount Arayat area. That's empty. That looks like a water slide at one time. It's like a scary skeleton dude in there. So this is the temple. I don't know how well you'll be able to see in here. Thing is, guys, this is not that old either. Sorry, it is like dark. Let me see if I can get you some more light. This is not an old structure. 70s, early 70s, 60s, something like that. Let's get upstairs here. I'll get you more light. Dark. Yeah, but get some light out here. All right. Now we're out some light. There's steps going up. Like part of that has fallen down. It's just neat. Something different. You know, it's somewhere to come. Just to check out for an hour or so. Well, guys, that's a CR. Let me walk out this way. There's a sink. Oh, that dead ends. All right. Back this way. So I think the porch goes around to the front area. can't find any markers given the history of it. So like I said, I'll leave it down below. A little bit of history I found out about the place. And this comes around here. There's your view. All right, guys, now we're just a stone throw away up in this eco park. There's an eco park up here, and it looks fairly new. They said they just opened recently, right?
Yeah.
Just January, this past January. I'm going to talk loud because of the music, but I wanted to show you this. They have all this seating area right here. Might be part of the restaurant seating. We'll find out. But 150 pesos per head to come in here. It was 300 pesos for Lut and I. Like I said, this is an eco park, and from my understanding, what they were saying, it's new. You can see they're still doing construction, but it's stone throw away from that little temple we were just in. So we'll wander around up here, check out, see what's up here. Looks pretty cool. The lady told me there was different things you can just walk around and check out. It's like a wedding or something going on down there. So we're gonna check this place out. I'm right down the road a little further. Really beautifully decorated. Got walkways going up into little garden areas and stuff. I don't know what these buildings are, but I will find out what these big buildings are about. Maybe it's housing, maybe you can rent. Don't quote me on that. But it's all back through here. It is beautiful. Like I was telling Lut earlier, you know, you walk by that area back there and music's just playing. It just, my theory, my thinking is turn the music off so you can enjoy the sound of Mother Nature, the birds and animals and everything like that. That's just my theory. I know it's different. You know, here let's all play music and let's all listen to music, but there's a time and place for everything. Wow, I think there's a pool up here. Yeah, there is. There's a pool up here too. Yeah, a swimming pool. I think those are rentals. Are those rentals up here? Ma'am? Are these rentals? Like, can you rent these? These are rooms to rent. Okay. So there's rooms to rent all through here. Thank you. But it is beautiful back in here. Oh, TikTokers. We got a couple TikTokers. Let me go up here. Kind of show you around up here. Seating up here. Looks like these are the steps coming up to, hello. More steps going up there. I'm not going to walk up there. Just kind of show you around. All right, now I'm down the lower end here. It's like a little amphitheater here. Like they could set up a band down there, and all the people could sit here in this little amphitheater, listen to the music. Accidentally walked in front of a guy over there that was standing there. I thought he worked here, and I was talking to him. He said, "Can you move, please?" I said, "Why?" There was somebody standing in the window inside one of the apartments with a camera. There was a photo shoot. I guess the guy's getting married, and I was interrupting the photo shoot. But yeah, definitely plenty of photo place, or how do you even say that? I'm just going to say it how I would say it. Plenty of places here where you can take photos. There. Once this place gets discovered, I think there'll be quite a few people coming out here. Like I said earlier, they just opened up here in January. You can see it's all new. Everything is new. There's no wear and tear. Views down through here. trail keeps going back that way. So, well, I think I'm gonna find Lut. Maybe we'll get something to eat. But that wraps up today's journey here. Like I said, I wanted to get out and check out that old, it's not even old. It's not even old, but it's cool. What was it, a Mayan ruin, Lut? Mayan ruin or whatever they called it. Mayan type ruin. And then just stumbled upon you know, this little eco park while we're up here. So anyways, guys, those that watch us, thank you so much. You guys are the ones that follow us on every journey. So anyways, guys, with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets. If it was bad sunlight, I apologize. And with that, we'll talk to you later.